बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम आदिल शहीर है। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैरोफियत से होंगे और ज़िंदगी के हर गुज़रते हुए लम्हे में अल्लाह अज़्ज़ व जल की ज़ात का शुक्र अदा कर रहे होंगे। नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम ने इरशाद फरमाया कि जो बंदा हर रोज़ मेरे ऊपर 1000 मरतबा दरूद पाक पढ़ता है, वो शख्स उस वक़्त तक नहीं मरेगा जब तक वो जन्नत के अंदर अपना मुकाम ना देख ले। सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ताला अला मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम। Today we are discuss about the topic of current affair. The topic name is water crisis in Pakistan. Water crisis is among the major threats in Pakistan after the inflation, unplanned governance or unplanned urbanization and terrorism. Let us discuss about from the first our heading. The first heading is that the understanding the concept of water crisis in Pakistan. If we need to understand what is the water crisis in Pakistan, we must need to understand that water availability in Pakistan decrease with increase in population, because in 1951 water availability in cubic meter per person is 5300 cubic meter per person, and now it's reduced up to 1000 only 1070 cubic meter for per person. That is almost 1500 cubic meter per person in 2009, and it will reduce further in 2015 and till to 2020 up to 1000 cubic meter per person. Secondly, Pakistan among the most water wasting countries, because we have a lot of population. We have almost 201 million people in Pakistan, and almost our population from 1951 to 2020 our population multiplied by 6, that we have 6 times more population as compared to 1951, and that is why we have wasting our water a lot. According to wastage of water, Pakistan is at number 4th because of increase in population. The most water consuming countries, Pakistan is among the most water consuming countries, and it will based completely on its largest canal system. Secondly, 90 to 95% of water of Pakistan, that is from Indus River basin, are almost consumed by agriculture as well as industrial sectors, because in IRB, Indus River basin, we have 3 western rivers, among them Chenab, Jhelum and Indus itself, and we are almost consuming a lot of its water, and this water has capacity to produce 59,000 megawatt of electricity, and nowadays we are just producing 6500 megawatt, and 1600 megawatt are still under construction with the help of IMF as well as our neighboring countries as financial resources. And these dams are Deamir or Basha Dam, but these Indus Basin system are just started from Tibet Pamir or from northern India, and it's end in the Arabian Sea near Karachi. Secondly, IMF report 2019. According to IMF report 2019, Pakistan is the 3rd most affected country by water shortage, because this report suggests that Pakistan's per capita water availability reduced up to 1070 cubic meter per person. That was actually in 1951 is 5300 per cubic meter, and we will definitely reduce further in the next coming years because of increasing our population growth. Secondly, IMF report that we need to understand what is meant by per cubic meter. 1 M3 or 1 cubic meter is equal to contain 1000 liters, and 1000 cubic meter contain almost 1 million liter water. 1000 cubic meter contain 1 million liter of water. 1 cubic meter contain 1000 liter, and 1000 liter is equal to 3300 teacups, or 28 showers, or 13 baths, are equal to 100 flush. That we have just capacity of per person is only 1070 cubic meter per person nowadays, just because of increasing our population and not properly use of our water, just because of these, or maybe because of climate change. Number 3 point is absolute water shortage by 2025, according to United Nations Development Program and according to Pakistan Council of Research on Water Resources, PCRWR, Pakistan Council of Research on Water Resources. These reports are suggested by that Pakistan will definitely face the shortage of water by 2025 if we do not take some urgent and some important steps to just to save our water. Secondly, World Bank Report 2019. According to World Bank Report 2019, water security in Pakistan is reaching up to a critical point, and this need a demand of urgent attention as well as reform of our water resources. These are said by World Bank country director for Pakistan, that Pakistan need to take some serious steps and some critical steps toward the maintenance of shortage of water. And number 2 point is that what methods need to be adopted. We should adopted these methods just to reduce or just to realize that we are actually suffering from water shortage, or in our future generation will definitely have a lot of chances to be the scarcity of water. First of all, we must need to improve our irrigation productivity, because 25% of our water are actually lost just because of seepage, leakage, or dams overflows. And we must need to adopt some those irrigation systems that are actually paved, that and they do not waste this water, that we are actually reduced 25% of our water, and we must save this water. Number 2 point, need attention for social and environmental aspects of water management or water shortage. We need to improve some water management or some water shortage systems just to reduce the impact of climate change as well as to increase our water resources. Because according to a report, Pakistan is completely depend on Pakistan population, Pakistan industry, Pakistan agriculture sectors, and Pakistan hydropower electricity projects are completely depend upon western rivers of Indus River Basin. That are only 3 rivers. Number 1 is Chenab, Jhelum, and Indus itself. But as well as India have only 12% dependence on Indus River Basin, because they have other resources of water also, like Krishna, Jamuna, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. All of these sorts of rivers are also placed in the country of India, but we are actually only these resources, and we must need to take some critical steps to save our water. Number 3, strong collaboration between federal and provincial government, because distribution of resources among different provinces is the major factors that why our government is badly run because of by our federal government. And there is also a different sorts of need to be managements, and we must adopt those steps that are actually make collab between provincial as well as our federal government, because they both need to understand what are actually needs of Pakistan's future and what are actually steps we have need to take or we should take to save our water. Number 4, strengthen water governance bodies. Water governance bodies, we must need to strengthen or provide strength to those bodies that are actually govern our water resources. Number 5, planning to reduce water demand. We must need to reduce the demand of water because we are waste our water a lot on daily basis, and we are on number 4 to reduce to waste a lot of our water in from whole of the world. We must need to adopt such steps that are actually reduce our reduce our water demand or water usage demand. Number 6 is planning to face climate change, because nowadays climate change is one of the biggest factor to that will reduce the fresh water availability in different countries, and we must need to take some steps for to fight with climate change, like we must need to planting trees, or we must need to reduce greenhouse gases emission, we must need to reduce our wastage or our industrial wastage as well as our sewerage wastage, or we must need to adopt 3R: reduce, recycle and reuse. We must need to adopt eco-friendly environmental systems, or we must need to adopt those resources or those electrical vehicles that are actually environmental friendly, and we must need to reuse or carefully use or do not misuse of fertilizers that are actually contain methane, ethane, propane as well as butane, along with that carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, all these sorts as well as aerosols. All these contain the greenhouse gases emission that are actually increase the climate change. And number 5, World Economic Forum report according to 2018 said that World Economic Forum report said that water is major threat for Pakistan, followed by terrorism, inflation, and unplanned governance and unplanned urbanization. And Pakistan have also faced some scarcity of water in our near future, and it will definitely that we will have among the 0 state of water in 2015 if we do not take some serious steps to overcome this problem. I hope you understand this video. We will soon continue our online session, or we are just started our online session for those students who cannot go to academies, and we will definitely help to understand different sorts of concepts on as well as on compulsory along with the optional subjects. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel if you like our videos.